So, hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 29th of September for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, honey. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, it's, by the way, it's a healing modality, self-healing modality. You can start with my masterclass, and it can definitely change your life. Definitely, trust me, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Libra, the person that you're no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Tower, the Ace of Wands, the Hanged Man. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Swords. Okay, they're in this middle of this. Okay. This is somebody who is in this middle of realization of, okay, I feel like I should be with Libra, but I'm so stuck. I don't know how. I don't know when. I don't know what to do in this situation. But I know one thing, that I feel like I should be with Libra. I should have a brand new beginning with Libra because I am feeling stuck in my life without them. I can't move on. I can't live without them. I can't live with them. So this is somebody who is having a sudden rude awakening, sudden realization that they should have a brand new beginning with you because they still are very attracted to you and attracted to the idea of being with you. So they feel like they should just do something about it, but at the same time they don't know what. Okay, so this person can't stop thinking about the situation between you and them. They are feeling like they are in some kind of mental jail. They are feeling trapped in the situation. The more they're trying to figure out what they should do and how they should do it, the more they are feeling themselves trapped in a jail kind of a situation. They can't stop thinking negative about the situation. By the way, whatever happened between you guys, they can't overcome that, right? Just like that. So it's taking them a lot of time, a lot of energy, what should to understand what they should do in this direction. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Three of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, see, this person definitely wants to have a friendship kind of a deal with you. This person wants to definitely start with this connection, with this light-hearted kind of approach, energy of, okay, let's be friends, let's hang out, and let's do this and let's do that together. But not right now. They want to wait and watch. They want to wait for the time when they will be, either they will be able to completely move on from something or someone that they're already with, or they are waiting on you to move on from something or someone that you are with or you are doing something about something. You might be at a long distance from each other, or you might be dealing with something like a project or a work, job, career situation, or you might be with somebody else. Whatever the situation may be, whatever the case may be, they feel like they want to wait for the time when they will be able to connect with you, because right now there is some kind of obstacle or challenge that you guys have to overcome, especially them, in order to come back together, right? So they do definitely want to come towards you when they will be able to come towards you with an independent energy. Now again, they could be with somebody else or you could be with somebody else. So either they want you to be independent or they want themselves to be independent enough to come forward and connect with you, reconnect with you when the timing is going to be right, when the obstacles and challenges are going to be removed. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of September. Okay, let's see, Libra. We have the Two of Swords, the Emperor, and the Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. Not a single zodiac sign today got this energy of any kind of action from the person that they're waiting on. No contact, no communication. Not a single sign till this time. Not a single, I'm telling you. Libra, you are the seventh sign, right? So I do see this person in their head about something, in their head about the situation, but they are choosing this route of just sitting in their power and keeping their guards up and keeping their guards high, because they are too wounded, they are too hurt, or they are too much in this energy of I might end up hurting Libra again, or I might end up hurting myself again. What if Libra is going to reject me? What if Libra is going to say something that's going to hurt me or harm me or harm my ego in some way? What if this will happen? What if that will happen? So they are living in their head about the situation, but they're not doing anything about it. But because they're feeling by their own because this person is feeling blocked by their own energies, by their own thought process. Okay, and they are thinking this whole situation is a too stressful, too much to deal with kind of an energy right now. So they're like, okay, dropping the idea of even connecting with you, even as a friend, as of now. They're like, no, not right now, maybe later, maybe I will sort it out later when I will be able to do it, or something is going to be sorted like naturally, then I will do it. But this person is right now totally in this energy of not taking any kind of initiative from their side because they think it's not worth it. And this person is living in so many what ifs and maybes that it's blocking their own energies of taking any kind of initiative in this direction, even if they want to. So don't see any kind of action from any sign till Libra. Let's move on to Scorpio and see what's coming towards you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.